Welcome to another enlightening journey with Oilcure Next Gen Ayurveda. In this video, we'll explore the power of spices and herbs that can help you stay cool and refreshed during the hot summer months. What happens to our body during summer? During summer, several changes occur in our bodies to adapt to the warmer temperatures and increase sunlight. Increased sweating to regulate body temperature. Risk of dehydration due to higher temperatures and excessive sweating. Skin issues like sunburn and heat rash from UV exposure. Digestive challenges such as indigestion and bloating. Disrupted sleep patterns due to hot temperatures. Increased energy expenditure to cool down. So here we are with the natural remedies to fix all these problems. Coriander seeds. Detoxifies body, essential during summer to eliminate toxins. Reduces inflammation from heat-related skin issues like sunburn. Rich in vitamins and minerals to replenish nutrients lost through sweating. How to use. Crush coriander seeds and steep them in cold water for a cooling drink. Use ground coriander seeds in chats, spice blends, and cooling chutneys. Fenugreek. Regulates body temperature to counter heat effects. Aids digestion and relieves constipation, common in hot weather. Rich in antioxidants to combat oxidative stress from sun exposure. How to use. Add fenugreek seeds to cooling beverages like buttermilk or infused water. Use fenugreek leaves in salads, raita, or as a garnish for summer soups. Mint. Soothes digestive issues like indigestion and bloating caused by summer foods. Refreshes breath and provides a cooling sensation to beat the heat. Contains antioxidants to protect against UV damage and skin issues. How to use. Make mint-infused water or lemonade for a refreshing summer drink. Add fresh mint leaves to salads, smoothies, and fruit bowls for a cooling effect. Fennel seeds. Relieves digestive issues like bloating and gas due to summer foods. Acts as a natural diuretic to prevent water retention and bloating. Supports respiratory health, vital during allergy season in summer. How to use. Chew fennel seeds after meals or brew fennel tea to aid digestion. Use fennel powder in cooling spice blends for salads, dips, etc. Cumin seeds. Regulates the body temperature, aids in detoxification, and is a remedy for flatulence and bloating problems. It makes you feel light and refreshes your body in the scorching heat. How to use. Use them in marinades, vegetable stir-fries, soups, and lentils. Crush it into powder. Add to curd, buttermilk, shakes, and lemon water. Discover the power of nature's bounty for a refreshing summer. Oilcure Next Gen Ayurveda brings you the finest organic herbs and spices, carefully curated to enhance your well-being. Embrace the goodness of nature and stay cool, healthy, and vibrant all summer long. We hope you found this video informative and useful, and we encourage you to do your own research and explore the world of natural remedies to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching.